Yo, what is going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. And here in this video, I got a pretty interesting one for you. We're going to be talking about just Xen and why I think it is a great project and why I think it's a certified pumper. So if that sounds good to you guys, smash that thumbs up button as it helps me out on the YouTube algorithm. If you enjoy me or the content, smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to tap that bell icon so you will not miss a video when I upload. Keep in mind, this is not financial advice. All that being said, let's hop right into it. So even though as of right now, Xen is on a little bit of a decline, let's take a look for the past 90 days. We've been up a lot, okay? So we pumped a lot with Xen. If you got into Xen day one, made a bunch of mints, you were up around 40 times your money. Right now, you're probably up like 35 times. Whatever the case is, you're up a lot on your original investment. The whole point of this video is I don't think that's going to stop. And I think Xen, the way Xen is created, the way everything is mapped out, it's all going to play out in basically terms and things like that. We're going to have periods of time where we have pumps like this, and then we're also going to have periods of times where we have dumps. Because obviously the minting terms. So here soon, in around, 200 something days, whatever it's been, 150 days, whenever the first set of heavy minters claim their mints, we're probably going to see a huge sell-off. And then we're going to see the price dip, and then the people that buy Xen rather than minting it are going to buy, driving the price up. And I think this is going to be a domino effect, and I think it's just going to keep going and going, because you got to think about how Xen is made, right? So the thing about Xen is it is disinflationary. Over time, minting Xen is going to get harder and harder and harder. Around the 8-year mark or something like that, minting is going to be basically useless. There's going to be no minting at all, really, because it won't be worth it, and you're not going to get anything. So what are you going to have to do with Xen? You're going to have to buy it later on in time, even before the 8-year mark, because, minting is still going to lose value. Boom, boom, boom. As the global ranks go up, as time goes on, you're going to get less value for the money. And right now, we're in a time where you're getting most of the value for your money if you're minting. Even if you're buying, even if you bought Xen at the bottom, you're up a good amount. Even if you bought Xen on the way up, you've gone up a decent amount. I just had 80 million Xen. I had sitting in one of my alt wallets. I forgot where I got it, to be honest, but it was worth literally like $235 3 days ago. Yesterday, I burned half of it, and then I sold the other half for Ethereum to actually make a couple more mints. And at the time when I did that, it was worth like $435 or whatever it was. So with just that, I gained $200 just with this recent pump. And there's a power behind that, because that's just how Xen is designed. It's designed to be pumping. When we have the periods when there's huge sell-offs, people are going to dive in and pick it up. When we have those periods of huge pumps, people are going to buy in because we're pumping. There's going to be all that FOMO. And then once mint terms open up and people are claiming, that's when we go down. And like I just said, what happens when we go down? And I don't think that pattern is going to stop. And obviously, if you haven't noticed, further in time, as it gets harder to obtain Xen, those pump periods and those dump periods are going to get more powerful every single time, which is a positive for everybody. It's literally positive for everybody, and I think it's going to work like that forever. And it's so cool because Xen is actually a fair crypto, bro. Like, yes, we have whales. Like, there's whales, right? Like, there's Xen whales, but anybody can have a lot of Xen. Anybody can have enough Xen. If you make a couple mints for the max amount of days, you're sitting at some good Xen. I recently just minted 100 more wallets a couple days ago. Each mint is like around 20 mil or whatever it is. And so that's pretty good. Over time, all that Xen is definitely going to add up. Even though I have to pay the gas fee, so I'll probably have to subtract a little bit from my profits, but I'll still definitely be in profit. And that's why I think it's so fair, because anyone can do that. Obviously, it's just like anything else. If you have more money, you can have more gains, you can have more profits, you can do more. But at the end of the day, Xen is a very fair crypto. It gives everybody a chance to get these gains, and that's what I think is so cool about it, and why I think it's going to be so big. Because what I always say is there's more people that are always late than there will be early. So the adoption of Zen is inevitable. The price action of Zen is inevitable at certain times. So for example, everybody that decided to make max length mints around 2 days ago when I did, we will probably be claiming our Zen then. We might even be selling our Zen depending on where the price is at. If me and 2,000 other people have done that, we're going to see a little bit of a dip in the price. And then guess what happens? People that want to buy Zen or need to buy Zen or know that those gains will be there are going to buy in, because you know what I mean? And the cycle is just going to keep repeating itself. And that's why I think Zen is just amazing. I think Zen is literally a helpful machine is what it is. Because no matter what happens, if it dumps, that's good. If it pumps, it's even better, obviously. But it's all going to help everybody out. Just a fair crypto. Not to mention what's going on with the burning of Zen. Zen NFTs, DB Zen, are burning loads and loads of Zen. And I definitely think that is one of the reasons why we're going to see pumps as well. And I think that is the reason why we've seen a major pump now. Because people are loading up on Zen. They want Zen now, so they're buying loads of it to actually burn it and earn that DB Zen, because you know DB Zen gains have been amazing, especially if you got in early. You're sitting on some pretty good profits, and I don't think that's gonna stop either. As I said in one of my previous videos, there is so much infrastructure around Zen that it is inevitable for other projects, other people to work upon it and incentivize buying and burning. So think about that. Buying is good. It drives the price up. Burning is good. We get rid of supply. What happens when you get rid of supply, but you're raising demand? The price goes up. And that's definitely why I'm extremely bullish on Zen, because everything is helpful in the community and it's just fair all around. But that is it for the video, guys. If you guys enjoyed, smash that thumbs up button and I'll catch you on the next one. All right.